Today is 1st January 2022 and I'm starting this year by flying. Now I'm at Charlotte, North Carolina and going to St. Louis, Missouri. And you are watching comprehensive review of American Airline Flight 1073 from Charlotte to St. Louis. American Airlines is one of the largest airline of US and Charlotte is one of the hubs of American Airlines. Hence you can find non-stop flight from almost all major cities in US from here. This non-stop flight to St. Louis is going to be around 2 hours and the plane is Boeing 737. So not very small plane, and good thing is it's not 737 MAX.
This morning, a catastrophic plane crash in southern China. Boeing 737 apparently went down.
Our breaking news: an Ethiopian Airlines flight has crashed shortly after takeoff from Addis Ababa.
We have breaking news for you at this hour. Dramatic new details about the Lion Air Boeing 737 MAX jet that crashed on
the Boeing 737 MAX 8.
Let's start the review with baggage allowance. You are allowed to carry one carry-on bag and one personal item like a backpack. They don't check weight of these bags, but we must make sure they are within specific dimensions as shown here. Not a single check-in bag is free. First bag will cost $30, the second one $40, and after that it just increases exponentially. Like third bag is around $150 and so on. We did not have any check-in bags, so we are good. Now let's talk about seats. For a 2-hour flight, the seats are very comfortable. They are not razor thin, small seats like Spirit Airlines. Fortunately, we got these bulkhead seats. You can see the huge legroom. It's so comfortable. Well, one disadvantage of these seats is you don't get a space to keep anything under the front seat, as there is no front seat here. All your stuff must go in overhead bins, and taking out this tray table is kind of a hassle. All other seats have these stands to keep your phone or tablet while you watch some movie, and they have a USB charging port. Overall, great seats. Before we go ahead, if you like this video, please like it on YouTube and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And now, let's continue. You can get one drink and one snack. There are many options for drink to choose from, but non-alcoholic. As it's a short flight, nothing much to discuss in food. The best thing was Wi-Fi was available. You can connect to this Wi-Fi using your own device, such as phone or your laptop. And then you can watch many movies and series for free. The speed was good too. Also, if you want, you can connect to the internet. That is not free though. It costs $15 for entire duration of flight. But for some phone service providers like T-Mobile, it's free. And you know the good news? You don't really have to have T-Mobile in your phone. You can just enter any valid T-Mobile number, like one of your friend's number, who you know has a T-Mobile, and you will be good to go. Then you can start texting or checking Facebook. So plenty of things to keep you busy in the flight. Also, amenities such as these are available, and it was neat and clean. For short domestic flights like this one, on-time performance is very important. This flight was on time. I traveled with American Airlines for a couple of times this month, and I would say I was pleasantly surprised that each flight was on time. To sum up, American Airlines are definitely worthy of recommendation. Seats were comfortable, Wi-Fi was available with good internet speed, and flight was on time. So overall, thumbs up for Americans.